Introducing AirPlant, a complete compressed air system solution built for the future of manufacturing. This smart, space-saving system was engineered from the ground up to solve many common issues with compressed air systems. Regain valuable manufacturing space inside your facility by installing a self-contained compressed air system outside. Our extruded aluminum enclosures are built to last, weatherproof and guaranteed not to rust for years of reliable operation. Engineered, designed, and built in the USA. Each custom AirPlant is shipped complete from our Georgia manufacturing facility, filled with the most energy-efficient compressed air components and advanced automation controls. AirPlant can arrive at your facility ready for operation. Simply 2 connection points, one for power and one to your plant compressed air distribution system. We can meet every compressed air demand, small or large. Standard AirPlants deliver up to 3,700 CFM of clean, dry compressed air to your facility. Need more air? Custom engineered AirPlants can meet even the largest compressed air demands. Designed with real-world serviceability in mind, the industry's first zero-duct variable speed cooling system replaces bulky and flimsy ductwork, providing easy service access. Advanced automation ensures the most efficient power usage possible. Daily energy reports and fully remote monitoring ensures maximum energy efficiency and reliability. AirPlant simplifies complex and costly compressed air expenditures. Financing options are available, from outright ownership to affordable leases to even purchasing compressed air as a utility by the cubic foot. AirPlant, the future of compressed air is here today.